Hello, my spiritual diplomats from around the world. This is Pastor Mark Burns. I am so excited. We got a new date where all spiritual leaders, faith leaders from around the world are all heading to Washington, D.C., January the 22nd at the U.S. Capitol, where imams, rabbis, pastors, priests, all faith leaders from all over the world are coming together under one voice, under one sound to say, we will fight for religious freedoms around the world. We will stand together to help end conflicts. We will use a network of leaders, global leaders, faith leaders from around the world who operate in spirituality and also in politics, knowing how to communicate in their countries, how to end violence, how to end conflict, and remind the kings of the world what their assignment is. And that is to be a leader of peace and to serve the voiceless and the people that they've been elected to serve. So if you believe you are a spiritual diplomat and you fit this bill, no matter what faith you are part of, I want you to go to spiritualdiplomats.org, spiritualdiplomats.org. Register for free. And now listen, the seating is very limited. We're already getting hundreds of people that are coming to this conference in January the 22nd here in Washington, D.C. But if you're coming and you register for free, we have a very special spiritual diplomat pin that we're giving every person that comes to register to be a part of this global phenomenon. Remember, spiritual diplomats, we don't carry weapons, we carry the wisdom of God and faith for the whole world together. Let's fight together. Let's bring the nations and the world together in the conflicts around the world. Meet me January the 22nd here in Washington, D.C. at the U.S. Capitol.